In this tutorial, we will cover how to do feature selection in Fire Insights. There are two methods which you can use in Fire Insights to perform feature selection. The first is feature selection with importance. The second is feature selection with correlation. We will cover both in this tutorial. We use the feature selection with importance node to select features based on their importance in a linear regression model. This node builds a regression model containing all of the features and ranks the features based on their predictive power. This processor has two outputs. It prints a list of the features ranked, and it passes on a dataset containing only the top features. The number of features passed on can be changed in the configuration pane. The first thing to do here in the configuration pane is to select our target column. In this case, we will select life expectancy. The second step is to select the potential feature columns for the node to select from. The third step is to decide which ML type we want to use. In this case, since we want to predict a numeric variable, we will select regression. The number of features can also be changed. This will determine the number of features which the node will select and pass on. Here, in the feature selection with correlation node, the feature selection with correlation node selects features based on their correlation with the label column. This node builds a correlation matrix and ranks all of the features based on their correlation. This processor also has two outputs. It prints a list of the features ranked by correlation, and it passes on a dataset containing only the top features. The steps are similar for this node. We will select our target column first, and then select the potential feature columns which we want the node to rank. We can also change the number of features here. This workflow is now ready to execute. Here in the execution page, we can see that when the feature selection with importance node is executed, it prints a list of all the potential features with their ranking. It then passes on a data frame that contains only the top 5 features as determined by us in the configuration pane and the output column. Here in the feature selection with correlation node, we can see that a similar process takes place. It prints a list of all of the potential features and their ranking by correlation, and then it passes on a dataset with only the selected columns and the target column. Thank you.